Hi everyone, I guess you're wondering what's happening here as I'm not vlogging from the usual space. Well, I'll just go and brew some coffee and I'll be back. In the meantime, check out what actually happened. So yes, I made this from scratch, and I did this because the previous place where I was shooting is my living room, and I shared this place, this flat, with 3 other people. So it was not easy to find a time where I could use the living room and also that the light was decent. This is the second reason why I moved. I was relying only on natural light. If the weather was not nice, I couldn't film, or like I had to film during the day, which meant filming only over weekends basically. So I decided, okay, well, I need some set where I can always film whenever I want. So that's it, I built this. I got the bookshelves at IKEA, the rest I had. The most important thing for me are the lights, because that is really what allows me to film whenever I want. I got this working light that now you cannot see, but it's here on my left. I got the polystyrene board that is bouncing back the light that I get from the work light. The 2 LED lights on the back, I bought them at IKEA, they are like 10 bucks each. The work light is 60 bucks and the polystyrene board is like 95 cents. If you want more information about the light setup, I'm going to share the links of all the things I got into the description below, and I will also share the link to the Peter McKinnon vlog where he explains this light setup. I'm super excited of being filming right now. I'm not sure how the light is, as it's the first time I'm doing this, so I will probably change something in the next episodes, but really right now I'm in my bedroom. Behind the camera there's my bed, and I can film here whenever I want, whether my flatmates are around, whether it's raining outside, whether it's 10 p.m. like it is right now and there is no light outside. I can do it. And now the announcement. So yes, we have an announcement for you today. Applications for the event in Lausanne are going to open on the 20th of September, so that is less than a month away. And whether you're a scientist, a filmmaker or an artist, we want to see your application. I mean, whoever you are, if you want to communicate science, apply for this. Mark the date on your agenda, or like write it on your forehead, so every morning in front of the mirror you see it and you know that you're going to apply on the 20th of September. And subscribe to our YouTube channel. You'll find the button like here below the video. It really means a lot to us. And also follow us on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. So that's it for today. See you the next week.